Hi, I'm Don Marsh. Welcome to The Proper Pour. Today's cocktail is with the sticky fingers. Today's cocktail in The Proper Pour is going to be the sticky fingers. It's a cocktail I came up with about 6 years ago. It's a funny story. A lady came in here. We actually named the cocktail after her. She told me ingredients she liked. I came up with something. I'm not going to name any names. She came in here one evening and she actually tried stealing another lady's purse. We caught her, or the lady caught her, hit her over the head with the purse. She goes running out the door. She obviously is now banned from this bar. So we changed the cocktail from her name to Sticky Fingers. The funny thing is she actually works for the local police department. Maybe, I don't know if she still works here or not. So this is gonna be a gin-based cocktail. We're gonna use a light, easy London Dry, 1 ounce. A ½ ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. A lot of y'all are familiar with St. Germain, very nice. This is half the cost, same flavor profile, same alcohol content. Do a ½ ounce of ginger syrup. ½ ounce of cucumber juice, and we keep the skins on. We like the color and a little bit of the bitterness. And then 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Remember, you don't want to store your lime juice. You want to always fresh squeeze it. Lime juice will oxidize in about 2 to 4 hours per cocktail. This is a shaken cocktail. I'm going to double strain in case there's any ice chips. And then we're going to top it with a Prosecco. And that is the Sticky Fingers. So this cocktail is actually a very summery cocktail, light, refreshing, huge flavor profiles. I love the bubbles. The elderflower work very well together. It's got a great nose. I think the ginger is what makes that cocktail. So that's a Sticky Fingers cocktail. Next week, stay tuned. We're going to do a quick whiskey class over all categories of whiskey, and it'll be about a 5 to 8 minute course. Very simple and easy. Thank you all for tuning in to The Proper Pour. You have a great day.